Right. Yeah, audible to my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good, right. So Selenium chapter 1, introduction of Selenium. Chapter 2, WebDriver setup. This is chapter 3. So working with browsers, okay? See here. So in this chapter, just we'll discuss like some basic browser-based commands. Okay, like opening a URL, closing the browser, refresh, okay, browser back, browser forward. So basic commands, okay, on the browsers. So we discussed like how do we work with the Chrome browser, how do we work with the Edge browser, right? And also we discussed like in one program, uh, Chrome browser opened. Chrome browser opened and I opened two multiple pages. And also same program, we have opened Edge browser and multiple pages. So there is no limit, sir. Only these pages we have to open. No, it's not like that. You can open any number of pages. And any number of browsers also can open. Okay. So can I open two Chrome browsers in a one program? See here.
Yes, sir. We know. Yes, sir.
Suppose here I want to open two Chrome browsers. How do you open now?
In second one, we have to give Chrome driver 1.
So again, you have to give the driver one. So this is give as a driver one. Okay. Chrome driver. That's it. So it opens a Chrome browser. So driver one dot get
Get.
http:// double double dot google dot. That's it. Same program, I'm opening a two Chrome browsers.
Driver dot.
Close. Is also possible. Okay. Possible. Okay. So till now we have used Chrome driver, right? Chrome driver, Edge driver, right?
Yes, sir.
We can also use like web driver. Driver is equal to Chrome driver. We use like this only, basically. Why? I will explain. Not now. Whenever we discuss on the switch statement, conditional statements, Java conditional statements, then I will explain this concept. Okay. Instead of Chrome driver here, I can use web driver also. Okay. But we are using web driver only. Okay. Now, in place of this web driver, let me write the statement here. Same statement. Web driver, right? Web driver. Now you have to import the package. Why I'm not getting important here? Import option I'm not getting. So Control Shift O. Now this is Control Shift O. Okay. And now see here. Okay. Web driver equal to new Chrome driver. Let me run this Java application. Opened, I did
Yes,
not see,
sir.
did not observe actually.
Yes,
Let
sir.
me
Yes,
do
sir.
that.
Open and close.
Okay, I did not observe. Let me do that. Okay. Now open, right? Open browser and then close.
సార్ ఇక్కడ క్రోమ్ దగ్గర ఎడ్జ్ కూడా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్
Sorry.
వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ ఇక్కడ వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ ఈక్వల్ న్యూ ఎడ్జ్ డ్రైవర్ అయినా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు సార్
Yeah, that I'm writing now. Yeah.
ఓకే
So now edge driver. Now what is the? Yeah, I'm getting error, right? Because you have to import the package. Now what is the? Can I execute now? It will execute. If I execute this program will execute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir. ఇక్కడ edge driver పెట్టుకోవాలి.
No, it won't
Edge
execute.
driver dot exe
I have to change here as well as
and
exe.
here.
Good.
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ మీరు చేంజ్ చేయాలి webdriver dot edge dot driver.
Edge dot
I
driver
have to give the path for the edge driver dot ms edge driver dot exe.
exe.
ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వాలి. అప్పుడు రన్ అవుతుంది, అది రన్ కాదు.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, right. Now, so let me go with the Chrome driver.
Yes, sir.
Now, open a page. Now, basic browser based commands. Basic browser based commands. First thing. So how can I open a page? Open a page. So we have used get method, right? See, open a page, right? Open a page. We have used get driver dot get.
Driver
Right?
dot get.
Driver dot get we have used, right? See here. So now we can open a page. We can open a page with the two methods. Get method and navigate dot to method. So get G small. Get method and navigate dot to method. See here. HTTP :// double double dot google.com. See here. Possible. Okay, let me run this. One more thing, sir. I forgot to tell you, if I am not giving this HTTP standards like this, it won't work. Okay, it won't work, sir. Make error of students, sir. Right click, run as Java application. You will get error. See, you will get error. Browser open. See, this statement browser open, okay? But you got error. See here. What's error? Exception. Exception. Invalid argument exception. Invalid argument. Where, sir? Session info Chrome. Okay, ikkada. Clear? అంటే we have given invalid parameter. అంటే the URL format you haven't given properly. So compulsory we have to give what, sir? HTTP or HTTPS, your wish. With respect to your URL, we have to give. So now it will open. See, now it's opening a google.com. This is one way, or navigate.to is also possible. Is also possible. So I can open page in a two methods, get method and then navigate.to method. So both methods are there. Okay, two methods are there, navigate and then to. Get method as well as navigate to method. Let me run this. There is no much difference between these two. See, this is also possible. It opens, right? Yeah. So I can open these ways. Clear? Are you following, sir?
Yes, sir.
By using get method. By using get method. Get. By using navigate dot to method. Like this. Okay. Any questions till now?
No, sir.
Any questions, sir? No? Okay, right. Second one. Navigate browser back, forward, and refresh. Navigate, browser back, forward, refresh. And if I open google.com, right? If I open google.com, so I want to navigate the back page. Now I want to go for a forward and refresh. Forward, backward, forward, refresh. Okay, backward, forward, refresh. Then how do you do this? See here. Open a page, driver dot navigate dot back. That's it. Driver dot navigate dot back. After back, sir, I want to go for a forward. Same method. చెప్పండి సార్, చెప్పాలి.
driver dot navigate
Driver
dot
dot
forward.
navigate dot
Forward.
That's it. చాలా మంది జాయిన్ కాలేదు ఎందుకు? Who is 3148 CSC? 3148 CSC ఎవరు?
Jyoti sir.
Okay, right. Right. Now I want to refresh. Driver dot navigate dot
Okay.
refresh. That's it. Driver dot navigate dot refresh. Okay. Now let me run this. So this is browser backward, browser forward, and browser refresh. Let me run this. Right click, run as Java application. Google opening. Now it's browser back, forward, refresh. Both are done. మీకు కావాలా? Ji sir, I'll show you clearly. Thread dot sleep 3000. Error message we got, right? Mouse over. Add throw declaration. Now no error. See sir, this statement pause the execution for 3 seconds. So here we have to give a parameter as a milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds equal to 1 second. I want to wait for 3 seconds. So 3000 I given. So this statement pause the execution. And after this execution, Eclipse will wait for 3 seconds and then it will execute this statement. And here also after back, I want to wait for 3 seconds. After forward 3 seconds. Now let me run this because I want to view that whether it's working properly, backward, forward working or not. See here. Back help. Okay, it's loading, right? Loading అవుతుంది. Now back, see sir, observe back. Now forward, see sir. Now refresh clicked, see sir. చూసారా? Observe చేసారా?
Yes, sir.
Let me execute again, okay? Let me execute again. Right click, run as Java application. Here, google.com open. Now, click done back.
Backward.
Now forward. Now click done refresh, right? So observe this here. Observe here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is about the browser back, browser forward, browser refresh. Okay. Okay. See sir, I can refresh the browser in different ways, sir. So note. Interview question is we can refresh the browser in multiple ways. So first answer, driver dot navigate dot
Navigate dot refresh.
right? Second one ఏంటంటే driver dot get URL, current URL. See, this is also possible. Suppose what is the current URL is there, right? Control C and then enter the URL here. Get enter. This also refresh the page, right? Copying the
Yes, sir.
same URL and then pasting in that and then enter. That also refresh the page, right? Okay, refresh page. So then we have a method get dot current URL. But how can I retrieve the current URL? So here, how can I retrieve the current URL? See, the URL may change with respect to your operations, right? So now I need to get this URL, okay? For example, ఇక్కడ బ్యాక్ కొట్టాను అనుకోండి ఫార్వర్డ్ బ్యాక్ కొట్టాను అక్కడ URL రాలేదా బ్యాక్ ఫార్వర్డ్ refresh. Okay, so I want to read the URL for this, okay? See here. See here. Driver dot get. So here I want to get the current URL, okay? So now I'm writing driver dot get current URL. That's it. Over. So this statement returns what is the current URL, it returns, and then I'm going to get. That's it. So this is also possible. Okay, let me run this. Right click run as. See, again it is refreshing, refreshing the page. Same thing I can also perform by using this one also possible. Two. This is possible. So 2 times I'm refreshing. 2 times I'm refreshing with the get method, navigate dot to method. But here I'm giving a current URL, refresh second time, third time. Here. So this is one way of refreshing the browser.
Hello?
And then navigate. Okay. Current URL. Okay. Now. Browser window. Maximize and minimize browser window. Maximize, you're also calling as a full screen. Full screen, okay? See, suppose if I open the page, if I run this, the page is not opening in a full screen mode, right?
Yes, sir.
But now I want to open in a full screen. In full screen, I want to open, okay? So driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. So driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Let me run this. Full screen. So Sarah,
Yes.
let me run again. Let me have a thread dot sleep if you want to see that. See. Now observe full screen.
Yes, sir.
In the full screen lo,
Uన్నా సార్ వచ్చారు.
what is the method we are using to perform browser full screen?
Driver dot manage
Uh,
dot
driver dot manage dot
maximize.
window dot
window dot
Ah,
max.
driver dot window dot, right? మర్చిపోకూడదు. driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. For maximize, we are using maximize, right? I want to do minimize. What happened, Jyoti? Your names are changing here. Any issue? Right. Guess change, sir. I want to minimize, means minimize the browser. Cheppandi, sir.
driver dot
Driver
manage
dot
dot
manage dot
window
window
dot minimize.
dot చెప్పాలి.
minimize.
ఉండదు, లేదు. There is no minimize method here. Then how do we do this? So we have a command called in a set position. There is a method called a set position. In this, we have to pass this value. New point. Point is a constructor. 0, minus 100. So this is a value you have to pass it. Okay, na? Point is a class input. Okay. See. We are using which version, sir? 3.1.41. 3.1.
version.
In this version, there is no method, sir. Minimize method లేదు. But with latest WebDriver we have. Let me do like this. Okay. After do this, I want to maximize the screen. Again, maximize. Open the screen. So there is no method minimize in the 3. version. Latest version, we have minimize method. Then how do we do this? Set position, new point of. So this is a X coordinate, Y coordinate. Okay. Run it. Run as Java application. Observe. Full screen. Minimized. Minimized not properly, right? Let me increase the size for this. 1000. So I'm changing the Y coordinate here. Y coordinates. Observe the end. Minimized. Now again open, right? So this is the minimizing and maximizing browser. Okay. Maximize and minimize browsers. Note. In older version of WebDriver, we don't have minimize method. We have to use set position. We have a minimize method. In latest WebDriver version. ఏం చేస్తారు అప్పుడు మీరు ఈ ఓల్డ్ వర్షన్ మీరు డిలీట్ చేసేసి remove చేసేసి then associate add the latest version and then do practice.
సార్ అప్పుడు లేటెస్ట్ వర్షన్ ఉన్నది సెట్ పొజిషన్ రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదా సార్? Update.
Directly I can use minimize method. Like maximize, there is a minimize method. Then why are you using older version?
Compatibility issues happen.
Compatible issues. Like, with your operating system, with your Java and everything, you will face some compatible issues. Okay, so that's the reason we are not using latest version. The stability version is 3.141.59. Okay, now close browser. We can close the browser with two methods by using a close method, by using a quit method. So we have two methods are there to close the browser, close and quit. Okay. Close method. It closes the current browser only. Quit method. It closes all the browsers which are opened in a script program. Note. Close and quit method closes the browsers which are opened by script. It will not close browsers which are opened manually. అర్థమైంది సార్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అర్థమైందా వాట్ ఇస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ సార్ చెప్పండి కెన్ యు రీడ్ దిస్ స్టేట్మెంట్
Close and quit method closes the browser which are opened by script. It will not the browser which are opened manually.
లైక్ మనం ఆటోమేషన్ కోడ్ ఏదైతే రాస్తామో
yes
అవి మాత్రమే దీని ద్వారా క్లోజ్ అవుతాయి.
yes suppose I have opened a browser. Okay, Chrome browser open చేస్తున్నాను. I opened a flipkart.com. flipkart.com open చేశాను. Okay, now through code I am using this. Okay, driver.close. So already I have one browser is open, flipkart.com, and one more google.com opening.
Yes, sir.
It closes the browser google.com only because this browser is opening through script and this is opened by me. It is not opened by Selenium, right?
Yes,
It
sir.
won't close. It will run JD. Right click, run as. It is closed, but this browser
Open.
is not closed. Okay, so that is there. But what is the difference between this close and quit method?
Close and
Method close only one browser. Suppose through code I have opened multiple browsers like this. Okay, multiple browsers I opened like this. So how many browsers are there, sir? First browser, three tabs, and second browsers. These are all opened with the Selenium. Close method closes the what is the current browser which out of all these four browsers is the current uncounty. It closes only this. But if it is quit, sir, it closes all the browsers. Okay, example of quit I will explain. See here I can use quit also, no issues. But example, live example, I will give whenever we are working with multiple windows. Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
And interview question also there like this. How do you open 5 browsers? And I want to close only my required browser. Now how do you do that? Okay. In working with Windows, I will explain. Okay.
Yes.
Right. I can use quit or close. Yeah. Now. Now working with Firefox browser. So same thing, So you have to write like this: system dot set property
Property.
WebDriver dot gecko driver. And gecko driver dot path. So gecko driver dot exe.
ఫైర్ఫాక్స్ అంటే ఇక్కడ గెకో రాయాలి అసలు.
Gecko, yeah.
నేను ట్రై చేశాను సార్, ఇక్కడ నేను ఫైర్ఫాక్స్ అనే ఇచ్చాను, అసలు రాలేదు.
Then gecko driver install, yeah. So find the Firefox version and install the gecko driver version, same like gecko driver version, okay?
Okay.
And the class name like this: Firefox driver. Driver is equal to new Firefox driver.
Yes.
Okay. So mostly మన కంప్యూటర్ లో ఈ మీడియా ఉంటాయి కదా సార్.
It's from Firefox.
బట్ ఎడ్జ్ మన ఐ వచ్చేసి అడ్వాన్స్ వర్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఐ ఈజ్ ఎడ్జ్ ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు ఐ ఇక్కడ వాడతలేరు కదా, అందరూ ఎడ్జ్ కన్వర్ట్ అయిపోయారు కదా. బట్ లెట్ మీ గివ్ సార్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ ఐ బ్రౌజర్. ఓకే, సిస్టమ్ డాట్ సెట్ ప్రాపర్టీ వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ డాట్ ఐ డాట్ డ్రైవర్. దీనికి పాత్ వచ్చేసి పాత్ ఆఫ్ ఐ డ్రైవర్ సర్వర్ exe. Okay, and here we have to use the class name as IE driver exe. Internet Explorer driver. Driver is equal to new Internet Explorer driver. Is the way how to use. Remaining are same. Okay, remaining all are same. Okay. Here where I have to say sir March. Here belongs to March. ఇది ఏప్రిల్ కదా సార్, ఇది ఏప్రిల్ రైట్. సో that belongs to March. Automation Selenium. Right. Now, first chapter, second chapter, third chapter completed. So now we'll see the Java introduction. Why Java, sir?
We work with Selenium.
So our course is what, sir? Selenium with Java.
Selenium with Java.
So drawbacks of Selenium, what, sir? It requires programming knowledge. So if you don't know Java, you cannot write the programs in Selenium.
Yes, sir.
So that's the reason we are learning Selenium here. Okay. So Java also.
Yeah.
So now chapter 1. In Word. ఈ మార్చ్ వాళ్ళకు పోజోడు చేస్తున్నాం. Right. You icon. March 24 automation. Core Java. Chapter 1. Introduction of Java. Yeah. It is a programming language. What is Java, sir? It's a programming language. It is developed in 1995. Yeah. By some persons, James Patrick Chris from a company called as Sun Microsystem. A company called what, sir? Sun Microsystem. But now it's owned by who, sir? Which company? Oracle.
Oracle.
By Oracle. బట్ ఇప్పుడు వెండర్ ఎవరు సార్? ఒరాకిల్. ఇంతకుముందు సన్
Oracle.
సిస్టము, బట్ ఇప్పుడు జావాని తీసుకుంది ఒరాకిల్. ఇంకా Java editions. We have JSC, JEE, JME, JFX. So this we are calling as the Java Standard Edition. Yeah. So Java Standard Edition. Yeah. It is called as Core Java. It's called as a Core Java. Okay. It is used to develop desktop applications and the Windows applications. Okay. Anyway, we are not developers. Okay. We are not developing any applications. We are using the core Java concepts in our Selenium purpose. Okay. JEE. It is also called as J2E. ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ రెండీలు ఉన్నాయి కదా, సో 2 is ఉన్నాయి కదా, సో we can also call it J2E. It is advanced Java. అంటే ఏంటి సార్? ఇది JSC ప్లస్ JEE. JSC plus JEE combination. Okay. It is used to develop web applications. అంతే. నెక్స్ట్ JME, Java Micro Edition. Okay. It is used to develop remote applications, mobile applications, software. Java JFX means JFX only. Java FX. FX. Okay. It is used to develop graph related, games related softwares. Okay, that is about the JFX. Graphs, games, Java but JFX and software internet. Okay. And here we discussed installing the Java, right? And here we discussed installing of Eclipse, right? And also we have learned what's the configuration of Java and Eclipse, right? These concepts already covered. Yeah. Oh. Note. When we install Java, we can find two folders, JDK and JRE. Okay, JDK and JRE. Java Development Kit. Okay, it contains all Java related libraries, programs. JRE, Java Runtime Engine, Runtime Environment, okay, engine or environment, okay. This it is used to you to execute Java programs. JVM ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ. That's it. These are enough. Okay. This is about the just basics only, just introduction. What is what? Chapter 1. That's it. Now, Winword, another topic, Winword, okay? Chapter 2, Class and Objects. This is all important, okay? This is very, very important. Okay. But what is the class objects that we'll discuss tomorrow? Okay. Just tomorrow, today. Today we discuss like if I open any Java program, are we able to identify the program or not? Okay. We're calling as Java identifiers basically. If I open Java program, we may see packages, classes,
Public.
interfaces, variables, constructors, variables, methods. If I open any Java program, you may see this only mostly. Packages, classes, interface, constructors, variables, methods. For example, if I open any Java program now, Selenium program for handling alerts. Okay, handling alerts. One example, one program I'm opening, okay? One program I'm opening. This is a Java program. So right now, you are not able to understand anything, zero. But now time is 11:26, right?
Sir. Yes, sir.
11:36 key. 11:36, I will make you some comfortable. Do you have a time or what? Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. Again, no, here. So how can I identify package or not, okay? If any statements starts with import or package, then that is a package statement. Okay. See here, these are all package statements only. Because starting with what's a package or import. And the answer are the package statement. Okay. So if any statement start with the import or package, then that is a it will be the first statements of Java program. Okay. First program under first lines ive untai package statements untai. Okay. So packages. If any statements starts with import or package, then that is a package statements. Okay. Classes. If any word is in camel case, ante every word first character is capital. Then that is a class. See here, alert. System is a class. Thread is a class. Okay, alert is a class. No such element present. No alert present exception class. By is a class because single word is there. Okay. And it is a camel case. Camel case contains every word first character capital. And for example, no alert present exception. No aneka word, alert aneka word, present aneka word, exception aneka word. So N capital, A capital, P capital, E capital. This is a camel case letters. Okay. If any string is like this, then we are calling as a classes. Same thing for interface. Interface also same thing. Same. Interface also same thing. Constructors. If any word is in camel case letters and followed by brackets, parentheses. Camel case letters unte adi class gaani interface gaani, but brackets unnadu anukondi adi constructor. What is this?
Constructor. ఇక్కడ bracket.
Constructor. What is this?
Class.
Class. Okay. WebDriver. What is WebDriver?
Class.
Class or interface. Interface also having a same naming standard. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. But camel case letters with having a parenthesis followed by this, then there is a constructor variable. If any string or if any word starts with a small letter and second word onwards, first char is capital. Example, EMP name. So E small names capital. EMP salary. EMP salary. Variable. Yeah. Status. Only single word status. S small. Even variables. Starting letter small letter. Second word on was first character is capital letter. Methods. Same standards of variables and followed by brackets method. So these standards only brackets like with the variable. Having the standards and having a bracket, then that is a method. Yeah. See here. Println, what is this?
Print line.
Is the method or what is this? Method or variable?
Method.
Method. Why? Starting letter small letter and only one word is there and followed by brackets. Yeah. Now Caesar. 11:36 అని చెప్పాను కదా 32 ఇంకా 4 minutes ఉంది. Just go through this. Packages, classes. Now I will open one program.
Sorry, classes interfaces difference ఎలా తెలుసుకుంటాం?
చెప్తాను ఇప్పుడు కాదు తర్వాత చెప్తాను. Yeah, I will explain. For a class we can create an object but for interface we cannot create an object. Class is a collection of variables and methods. Interface is a collection of public, static, final variables, abstract methods. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్తే పారిపోతారు. ఓకే, ఈ పబ్లిక్ ఏంటిది, అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ ఏంటిది, మెథడ్స్ ఏంటిది, స్టాటిక్ ఏంటి? కమన్ సార్, we have separate chapters, but as of now, maybe it interface, maybe a class. But whenever I'm writing a program, I will differentiate. This is an interface, this is a class. Like that, I will explain. Okay. If any statement start with the import or package, then that is a package statement. If any word is in camel case letters, classes. If any word in camel case interfaces. Any word camel case with followed by brackets, constructor. Starting letter is small and second word onwards first character is capital. Then there is a method. Variable. And if it is small letter starting with small letter, second word onwards first character is capital, followed by method bracket. Then that is a method. That's it. Okay, na? మీరు జావా కంఫర్టబుల్. మీరు జావా కంఫర్టబుల్ చూడండి. చెప్పండి సార్, ఏంటి సార్ ఇవన్నీ?
ప్యాకేజ్.
ఇంకా 2 minutes తక్కువ ఉంది. ఇంకా 11:36 కదా, 11:04 అవుతుంది. అంటే మిమ్మల్ని 8 minutes లో పర్ఫెక్ట్ చేయించిన చూడండి. ఏంటి సార్ ఇవన్నీ?
ప్యాకేజ్.
ఇవన్నీ ప్యాకేజ్లు. అంటే ప్యాకేజ్ నేమ్స్ ఆర్ స్మాల్ లెటర్స్. 1 second. ఇవన్నీ స్మాల్ లెటర్. ప్యాకేజ్ నేమ్స్ ఆర్ స్మాల్ లెటర్. లాస్ట్ ఉందా సార్? బై ఇక్కడ వెబ్ డ్రైవర్, క్రోమ్ డ్రైవర్. అంటే ఈ ప్యాకేజ్ నుంచి ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ దిస్ క్లాస్. అది. ఓకే. నౌ అలర్ట్ హ్యాండ్లింగ్ డెమో. వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్? అది వేరియబుల్.
క్లాస్ నేమ్స్.
క్లాస్. Why class, sir? Camel case letters.
Camel case.
And doesn't have any open bracket, right? In where bracket andi? I said these brackets. No. Find element.
Interface.
Constructor.
Sorry?
Constructor.
Constructor అంటే ఏంటి సార్? Camel case letters. అక్కడ F స్మాల్ క్యాపిటల్?
Small.
స్మాల్ ఉంది, ఈ క్యాపిటల్ ఉంది, బ్రాకెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఏమైంది?
Variable.
Variable.
Method.
Method.
Method, sir.
Small letter starting small letter. Second word on first character capital
Brackets.
followed by brackets. Method.
Method.
Driver. Driver.
Driver. And the small.
Variable, sir.
Variable. Good. Thread.
Class.
Class. System.
Two.
Method.
Method. Good. System.
Class.
Class. Good. Out. Out.
Out.
Variable.
Variable. Good. Println.
Construct.
Method.
Method.
Method. Good. Alert. Alert.
Variables.
Variable. Class కాదండి variable. Okay.
Variables.
Accept.
Method.
Very good. Method. Buy.
Class.
Class.
Chrome driver.
Class.
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 No alert present exception.
Class.
Class.
Alert.
Class.
Class.
అది interface. But okay, fine. Web driver.
Interface.
Interface. We're having the same standard. Okay. Chrome driver.
Method.
Madam.
Cons-
Variable.
Chrome driver. Constructor. Where constructor, camel case letters and followed by two brackets. Constructors. Okay. Click.
Click method.
Send keys.
That is all the methods.
Method. Okay. Let me open another program. Okay. And link multiple windows. So, Sarah, how are you learning Java? Same like you're learning all the classes. Sorry.
సార్ మనం జాబ్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇట్లా డౌట్ వస్తే ఇట్లా గూగులింగ్ చేయొచ్చు సార్.
ఎందుకు చేయకూడదు? ఎవరుతున్నారు చేయొచ్చు. Why not, sir? We can. Why not, sir? We can. ఇప్పుడు నేను గూగులింగ్ చేయట్లేదు, నేను మీకు ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ చూపిస్తున్నాను, అంతేం లేదు. ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఓపెన్ చేసి ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే. డిలీట్ ఆల్ కుకీస్.
స్మాల్ క్యాపిటల్ అంటే మెథడ్ సార్.
మెథడ్. మేనేజ్.
వేరియబుల్స్.
వై వేరియబుల్? We have brackets కదా.
మెథడ్ సార్.
మెథడ్. విండో
మెథడ్.
మాక్సిమైజ్.
మెథడ్.
డ్రైవర్.
Variable.
వేరియబుల్. జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటర్.
క్లాస్.
JE.
వేరియబుల్ సార్.
ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ స్క్రిప్ట్.
Method.
Good. Find element.
మెథడ్ సార్.
Very good. Method. Sleep.
స్లీప్ ఆల్సో మెథడ్ సార్.
XPath.
మెథడ్ సార్.
Method.
By.
బై వచ్చేసి క్లాస్.
Wing.
వేరియబుల్.
By.
So starting with capital.
ఏంటది?
Class
Class.
only.
క్లాస్.
Println.
మెథడ్స్.
Method.
Comfortable?
సార్.
ఎలా
నోట్స్ చదివితే.
How are you feeling?
సార్ గుడ్ సార్.
Good or bad?
గుడ్ సార్.
This is the way how you are learning, sir. మనం అన్ని కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఇలానే మెల్లగా 1 by 1 స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ అన్ని నేర్చుకుంటాం. ఓకే. So let me stop today. So tomorrow, don't miss the class.
Yes, sir.
I will explain class and objects. అది మిస్ అయ్యారో అంతే సంగతులుగా. Tomorrow I will show you to write a program. What is class and what is objects? Okay, I'm going to create a new Java program. If you don't know how to create a Java program, then you can't use Selenium. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so don't miss the class tomorrow. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Is your numbers are added, sir, in the group?
అంటే 9:15 బ్యాచ్ లో ఉంది సార్.
Add అయ్యారా?
Yes, sir.
Let me
నా
check.
నంబర్ యాడ్ చేయలేదు సార్.
అంటే మీరు మరి ఫీజ్ ఫార్మాలిటీస్ అయిపోయినాయా?
అయిపోయింది సార్.
9:15, right? 9:15. 9 o'clock, yeah. So I don't see any data here. February manual, right? ఇదే కదా. I don't see any data. సార్ మీ బ్యాచ్ మీ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ పేరు చెప్పండి.
సార్ ఫిబ్రవరి మాన్యువల్ ప్లస్ సెలీనియం 9 AM బ్యాచ్ కదా.
దాంట్లో మరి మీ నంబర్స్ యాడ్ చేసినట్టు నాకైతే ఏం రాలేదే.
నేనైతే ఉన్నాను.
మాకు సపరేట్ ఒక నెంబర్ నుంచి వస్తుంది సార్ లింక్ ఇది.
రానియండి, నేను హలో పెట్టాను, వచ్చిందా మీకు హలోని?
రాలేదు సార్.
వచ్చేది సార్.
మాకు
వచ్చేది సార్.
రాలేదు.
రిప్లై పెట్టారు.
నేను హలో పెట్టాను, వచ్చిందా మీకు?
నాకు వచ్చేది సార్.
9 o'clock పెట్టారు. వీళ్ళని అందరూ 9 o'clock యాడ్ చేస్తాం కదా.
మాకు రాలేదు సార్.
రాలేదు సార్ మాకు కూడా.
మీది అయిపోయింది సార్, మీ ఫార్మాట్స్ అన్నీ అయిపోయినాయా?
అయిపోయింది.
అయిపోయింది సార్.
మరి దీంట్లో ఎందుకు రాలేదు మరి? ఎక్కడ ఫిబ్రవరి మాన్యువల్ ప్లస్ అదే కదా.
అంటే
మేము
మేము
మాకు
మండే జాయిన్ అయినాం కదా, మరి యాడ్ చేయలేము.
లేదు, దీంట్లోనే యాడ్ చేయాలి మిమ్మల్ని. యాక్చువల్గా మీ ఫీడ్ ఫార్మాట్స్ అయిపోతే యాడ్ చేస్తారు. ఓన్లీ 1 memberకి వచ్చిందా?
నాకైతే అంటే నేను మాన్యువల్ లో ఉన్నా కాబట్టి
ఫిబ్రవరి మాన్యువల్ ప్లస్ సెలీనియమే కదా.
ఫిబ్రవరి మాన్యువల్ ప్లస్ సెలీనియం 9 AM బ్యాచ్.
అది దాంట్లో మీకు వచ్చింది, మిగతా వాళ్ళకి రాలే కదా.
రాలేదు.
ఓకే ఓకే, సో నేను ఫాలో చేపిస్తాను ఒకసారి. ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు మరి మీతో నాకు ఆడడం రావాలి, నాకు రాలేదు. ఓకే, సో ఐ విల్ గివ్ ద మెటీరియల్ సార్ ఇన్ దిస్ గ్రూప్. ఓకే
సార్ ఏపీఐ కూడా ఏమన్నా చెప్తారా సార్ మీరు? ఓన్లీ
సార్ అది ఏపీఐ మళ్ళీ సపరేట్ కోర్స్ సార్ అది.
అంటే మాన్యువల్ లో ఏమన్నా ఏపీఐ గురించి చెప్తారా నార్మల్?
అది వెబ్ సర్వీస్ టెస్టింగ్ చెప్తాను. యా సో వాట్ ఈస్ వెబ్ సర్వీస్ టెస్టింగ్, దట్ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్.
ఓకే, అంటే ఆటోమేషన్ అడగట్లేదు, జస్ట్ మాన్యువల్ లో.
దట్ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ సార్. యా సో వాట్ ఈస్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ టెస్టింగ్, వాట్ ఈస్ వెబ్ సర్వీస్ టెస్టింగ్, వాట్ ఈస్ డేటాబేస్ టెస్టింగ్, విత్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ టెస్టింగ్ విత్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఉండదు, అది టూల్ కావాలి మళ్ళీ. బట్ వెబ్ సర్వీస్ అవన్నీ ఒకసారి చేద్దాం, ఒక సర్వీస్ క్రియేట్ చేసి అట్లా చేద్దాం కావాలంటే. డేటాబేస్ టెస్టింగ్, యా ఐ కెన్ డూ దట్. ఓకే
ఓకే
రైట్ సార్. సో ఐ విల్ షేర్ దిస్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ ఇన్ ద 9 batch, right? I will share that. But don't miss the class tomorrow, sir. Okay?
ఓకే
Yes, sir.
Take care, sir. Bye, sir.
సార్.